What's up, guys? I'm back. So it was minus 33 last night, and I figured I'd do a cold start of cars I have at home today. There's two missing. This is our 2010 GL350 diesel. Bought it as a project. Fixed a lot of what was broken, but she's not done yet. I think some of the injectors are bad because it smokes like a train. And it smells like, well, the diesel exhaust burns your eyes more than onions do. So let's see. We have an ML320, then it barely started this morning. Diesel as well. Cycle the glow plugs a couple times, and let's see what happens. Damn. Yep, smokes like hell. Yep, there we go. It's deleted, so that probably doesn't help. Not bad, actually. Started better than the ML320. Go ahead and pop the hood. Can't feel my fingers. Not bad. I'm pulling injectors in the next few days to get them tested, so we'll see how that goes. Now we'll get to my car, 2010 G37X. Oh God. Yep, it's cold. Love that exhaust. HKS. Yeah, this thing still stinks.